Ladies, do you struggle with nighttime cravings? This juice is gonna give you that solution. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what juice to make at home that's gonna hydrate you and get rid of those cravings. That's like something that we all struggle with, even I do. So you're gonna get a juicer, you're gonna add 2 handfuls of spinach. Spinach is loaded with so many different vitamins and enzymes that are so good for your body. Then you're gonna add a green apple, cut it into pieces, add it to the juicer, 1 lime, and then we're gonna add some fresh cucumbers into the mix. 1 cucumber. Add that in there, pop that juicer, go. So with this juice, you're gonna get a lot of hydration, you're gonna get minerals, and minerals definitely give you that hydrating feel to your body. So that's gonna keep you full. It's gonna cut the sugar cravings, and it's gonna cut that anxiety that we typically get, especially at nighttime, because most of the time when we're eating at night, it's out of anxiety, boredom, we're watching a movie, I gotta get popcorn, I gotta get this. But if you drink this juice, I guarantee you, it's gonna cut all those nighttime cravings. It has helped me a ton, and it's helping me with all my clients that I give them this juice recipe. So try this next time at home, and I guarantee you, you're gonna be satisfied because you're gonna be hydrated, you're gonna feel great, you're gonna have nutrients, you're gonna have minerals and enzymes into your body, plus vitamins that your body is not gonna thirst or crave any type of foods. Trust me on this one. Now that my juice is ready, I am ready to enjoy my hydrating green juice. I'm gonna go ahead and relax and enjoy the scenery, which I absolutely love. And remember, the next time you get any type of munchies or cravings, whether it's at nighttime or even during the day, drink my recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you like, subscribe to my channel.